Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to block and unblock phone numbers on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. Now you can find this phone number whether it's by a number that call you in the recent, or you can go to your contacts or wherever it is, or you can even do this by finding a person who message you in text message. So let's take this person as an example. All I have to do is just simply press and hold on that number, click on more, and then click on block. You can choose to even delete the conversation from here. So let's leave the conversation, just block that person. Now I will no longer receive call or text message from this person. Now, how do you unblock the person? It's very easy. Go to your settings and you simply want to use the search at the upper right hand side and simple type in block message, and you will start to see it appear. Tap on the block messages. You will now see block numbers. Tap on block numbers, and here you will find the person who you have blocked. You will also find other persons who you have blocked as well. From here you can also add and remove person to the block list as well, so you can find them on the recent messages and even from the contacts. Now to remove the person, just simply press the minus from the up towards the right hand side, and that person will be removed. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.